How to create a Google Drive link for a folder. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Do you want to create a Google Drive link to share different kinds of folders and files? If so, here is the perfect tutorial. Without any ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome and log in into your Google Drive. Then after, select the folder that you want to share. For that, you can just double click on the folder or click on the three dots. Before sharing the link, you should be made sure that the access is given to all. For that, click on this icon with profiles. Once you tap on it, you can now add the people who you want to give the access. Or under general access, click on anyone with the link, and in the rules, select on editor, commenter or viewer. Once the link has been updated, you can copy the link and send it to anyone. So as simply as that, you have now successfully created a link for the folder. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.